In this video, we're going to talk about how to properly light your cigar so you get that premium, beautiful burn every single time. Welcome to Cigars.com, the cigar industry's online marketplace for premium, small batch cigars delivered right to your door. To understand how to properly light a cigar, we first need to understand what is inside of a cigar. And inside of a premium cigar is premium tobacco or different ingredients. And each type of ingredients within a cigar has its own taste. And when it comes to a premium cigar, taste is king, and an improper light will give you some improper taste. Imagine your cigar is like a beautiful California burrito. You want to get a bite that encompasses all of that unique flavor. You don't want to leave any of it out. Therefore, proper light may be one of the most important things you can do. Let's jump into it. Step 1, choose your weapon. The three most popular and common ways to light a cigar are using the OG Bic, aka the soft flame. You can use matches, wooden is preferred, and lastly, the torch lighter. I did a deep dive into the pros and cons of each of these lighting devices, but to save you some time, my favorite is the torch lighter. Now that you got your fire, step 2, toast the foot. The foot of the cigar refers to the actual part you're lighting when you light up the cigar, and it's really important that you use the heat from the flame and not the actual flame itself when lighting your cigar. A great way of thinking about it is like toasting a marshmallow. You want to take your time and get that solid golden brown. You don't want to go straight kamikaze and burn that thing. How you hold your cigar when lighting is really important. You never want to take a torch lighter and put it directly into the foot for two reasons. Number one, torch lighters burn at 2300 degrees, which is twice as hot as a soft flame lighter. So you run the risk of burning deep into the foot, which is going to ruin flavor and it's going to burn the cigar. The other reason is you want to eliminate any unnecessary butane coming from the torch lighter, which could also affect the taste of the cigar. For this demo, I'm using a Cigars.com exclusive, aka the Cubano. So remember, we're not going full Elon Musk with flamethrowers over here. We're just toasting that marshmallow, you know, getting that golden brown, getting that perfect s'more. And once you start toasting it, you're going to start seeing a little bit of a brown and blackness around the edge. Once you've toasted the foot, you want to take your first few puffs. You want to gently inhale a few long, even drags as you get that flame lit. After you take a few drags, you want to check the cigar to make sure you got all the edges and you can blow some smoke into it, otherwise known as kissing the cherry, to see if everything's lit. If there are any areas that aren't lit, you just want to continue to toast that foot at that 45-degree angle and then continue to give it a few more drags. And there you go. That is a clean, beautifully lit, even drag stogie. Now the only thing left to do is enjoy this nice premium stogie, maybe a nice glass of whiskey, some great conversation, and you're off to the start of a beautiful night. And now if you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos on all things cigars, we ask you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're really into cigars, we invite you to join the Cigar Club. This is an online free Facebook community that connects cigar lovers from around the world to connect, share reviews, and defend our right to enjoy a good stogie with good people. A Cigar with Friends is a commitment of your time to connect, de-stress, and relax. Thank you for sharing some of your time with me, and I'll see you in the comments.